Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Zaafi, one of my favorite food from the northern part of Ghana. So first thing first, I'm using maize meal and cassava flour, and you can find this at your local African shop or Asian shop. I added into a saucepan a boiling water from the kettle, and I added into a bowl 4 cups of the maize meal, and I added 2 cups of cold water to mix it together. Once it was mixed, I added this into the boiling water. I allowed it to cook for about 20 minutes until it became porridge. I then set some of the porridge aside, and I added 3 cups of the cassava flour into the porridge, and I stirred it until it was mixed. Once it became hard, I added some of the porridge that I set aside to it, and I did this continuously until it became soft. And here it is. I will show you how I made the ayoyo sauce and the stew next week. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, as always, don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.